Renovation work at the Spotify Camp Nou progresses steadily as we head into November 2024. The stadium's transformation is taking shape, with major updates visible across multiple sections. After many requests from you to compare the stadium's current progress with previous months, we've included a side-by-side view at the beginning of this video. Over the past 7 months, the transformation has been remarkable. New seats continue to be installed across the existing stands, while some smaller areas are still undergoing upgrades, with stairways being reinforced and entrances and exits receiving new coverings. The VIP ring is now nearing completion, with most of the prefabricated terrace elements in place. Meanwhile, the reinforcement of steel columns with concrete is steadily progressing, adding both strength and durability to the structure. The stadium is really starting to take shape, and it's exciting to see that everything is progressing well in every area. We know how eager Barcelona fans are to have the stadium ready, and while we're feeling the wait too, the club is taking its time to work out any possible dates for a partial reopening. We appreciate your support as we celebrate continued improvements, and we're grateful for your feedback on our updates. Your thoughts help us grow and improve. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.